Take command of the road in the 2014 Toyota Tundra. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, an outside temperature display, front fog lights, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, and much more. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Toyota ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. We are here to help you.